truth cannot be an idea. If truth becomes an idea, it is dead. Ideas has no life. Truth is the most alive. It's like always dancing rhythm. It is nameless, undivided, absolutely quiet, formless. When I say formless, it does not mean it do not exist. Formless convey infinity. It is beyond all senses. It is the source or cause of life. And truth is not different from nature, from life. Even truth is life and nature. It is the undivided source of everything. The source of the whole universe. Truth is the observer and the observed. And you are that truth. Whether you know it or not, you are the source of everything. You are infinite. So discover yourself.